Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Cancer Sun Moon Rising, this reading is for you. This is July 1st week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Oh, in your career, you've got the Three of Spades and the Two of Suns. Whether you have your own business or whether you have a job or whether, I know, uh, whatever field you are in, I do see that you have been working very, very hard, Cancer, right? You have been laying foundation to something, and now you were secretly hoping for some sort of success, some sort of peace, some sort of position or power to come your way. But unfortunately, it's not happening. Why is it not happening? Because currently you have been arguing or fighting in your office or workplace a lot. If you're fighting with your colleagues, I understand, but if you're fighting with your bosses, your investors, your customers, it's not good. This is the time to compromise. Whether they're telling you the truth or wrong, whether they're right or wrong, whether they're stupid or not, you still have to compromise because this has come into your play. This is going to affect you more than it is going to affect anybody else. So please make sure that even if people are stupid and they are just telling the wrong things, don't engage. Compromise, agree with them, bend a little this week. Because if you try to be your own self, the egoistic bossy self, then things are not going to work out for you, and the fights and arguments are only going to escalate. I do see that it is not happening because they are not nice person or you are not a nice person. The whole reason it is happening is because you both are extremely strong personalities. When two strong personalities come together, both are egoistic, both are short tempered, then fights are bound to happen. So please compromise because this card has come into your reading. So you need to compromise so that your life is better, your career is smooth. In your love life, you've got the Four of Spades and the Temperance card. Woohoo! Somebody is coming back. Okay, to all those who are hoping for a reconciliation or somebody to come back, this is a card of no, this is a card of mingling of past and present. So I do see that you have always been very giving and generous with your love, right? Probably this person sensed it, probably this person missed it, and that is why they're coming back around. But there's a strong need to control your emotions in your personal life as well, right? Like there you have to control your emotions and not to argue or not to say you're stupid. Huh? Here also there's a need to control your emotion. If somebody is coming back around, you have to ask them, be practical. Why are they coming back around? If they were not giving you commitment in the past, are they giving you commitment now? If they were not nice to you, respectful towards you, have they changed now? If they did not want to marry, do they want to marry now? Because if they haven't changed, if they haven't worked on themselves, or if they are not still giving you what you want and deserve, there is no point of taking them back, right? Just because you're excited and just because you have felt lonely doesn't mean that you should take them back. So please be practical. There is a need for you to be practical, and also adaptability is very important, which means your priorities or their priorities would have changed. Your family circumstances or financial situations could have changed when this person comes back. So you have to be adapting to the current situation. If you think that no, the situation has to be, life has to be exactly how you left me, right? If we were always in a nuclear family, or if I married you to be nuclear, and now you can't invite your in-laws, your parents here, even if they're old, because that will change the entire situation. No? Or when you started, when you got married, maybe you did not have a job, now you have a job. Or he did not have a traveling job, now he has a traveling job. In any way, I do see that your situation will be changing when they come back around this week, and you have to adapt to today's circumstances. If you be too rigid, then things will not work out for you. So please find a balance, find the correct balance in your emotions also, in your situations also, in your actions also. I think this week is more to do with your emotions, the balance in your emotions, right? The control, the self control, more than anything else. Because the more you have self control in yourself, the more smoother situations will be for you. So very challenging week for you, because you have to really control yourself and not speak too much or do too much, right? So yes, this is how your week is going to be, unfortunately or fortunately. But yay, somebody's coming back around, and that's a good thing. And yay, if you compromise, your promotion will not be hindered, your growth will not be hindered, that profit, that business deal that you're waiting for will not be hindered. So there's always a silver lining. Please hold on to that. And if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what your situation is. And yes, this was a general reading. If this did not cover the questions on your mind, the specific questions, you can always book a personal reading for yourself. I have various sort of services available. Personal reading where you can have ask any questions. I do have exclusive love readings, no contact readings. I have packages available where set of multiple questions will be given plus a free remedy. Sometimes people also say that I have questions and I also need a remedy. I also want to remove blockages from that area. Then a free remedy will be given to you in this package. This package is below rupees 1000, by the way. It's not like, oh, it's a package, so this has to be like 25,000 or 30,000. It's a very cheap service I have because I want to reach the masses. I want to help the masses, and that is why I've kept very low services available. Extremely powerful rituals. You can read the testimonials on my Instagram handle as well, because it's based out of positive energies and only positive energies and only the truth. So if you think I'm going to brush your ego and tell you things that you want to hear, it's not going to be possible. I'll tell you, I'll show you a mirror. I'll show you that this is exactly what you are doing, this is what they are doing. Now it's up to you, right? I'll also give you the remedy which is based out of positivity, remedy which is based out of connection with your own self and the divine. So that is how it works faster. Lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need guidance, you need mentorship, you don't want people to judge you, laugh at you, you could be doing something wrong, something messy, and you think that, my friends will not understand me, or, they will just, or I don't have anybody who can understand me that well, or I can share my stuff with, deep dark secrets with, then you can always come to me. My channel is open for spiritual counseling sessions as well. And here also, with the help of your guidance, with the help of your spirit guides, I will be guiding you as well, giving you a remedy in the spiritual counseling as well. I do have audio video call session available as well, but on Instagram, Zoom Meet and Google Meet. Yes, so I'm sure all of you are comfortable with that. You can choose what is best for you. And to make any booking, either you email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com. My name is not Moksha. All of you referring to me, hi Moksha, it is the Moksha Tarot, which is my channel. My name is Astha Sharma. It is already mentioned. And yes, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Uh, Here, I'll only be telling you the services, but the prices you can get to know over there either through DM, or I keep posting in my stories as well. So I have various services and various budgeted prices available. You can choose from range, like starting from the lowest to the highest, depending upon what you want to choose. So you can do that. Plus any service being launched, any new service being launched, you'll get to know from there. When my channel is closed, when I'm coming live, when you can participate in a free question and answer round with me, all that you will be updated over there. So please follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe me here on YouTube. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.